And welcome to my channel. Let me properly introduce myself. As you can tell by the name of the channel, it's LAWANDASHARDAIE. You can call me either Lawanda or Shardae. As you can tell, what I have been doing is getting this room together. This is my office slash beauty room slash content room slash, you know, anywho. So thank you guys for tuning into the channel, and thank you guys for sitting here watching while I redo this room. I'm almost done wrapping it up. I'm about to hang some pictures on the wall and finish getting it tidied up and organized. So the stuff that I had over here in this corner, the stuff that was in the boxes was like a lot of bathroom stuff that I have to change out my bathroom. So what I went and did was went and bought a crate from, or a bin, or a storage bin, whatever you want to call it. I went and bought a few storage bins from Costco, and I took them out of the boxes that they've been in, that they were shipped in, that I put them into that storage bin, and I put it in my garage. And I actually had a whole bunch of shopping bags that was down there as well too. I went and did a basically a hygiene summer care, and I want you guys to stay tuned for that, because I'm going to be doing a haul on that as well, and that'll be coming soon, so stay tuned for that as well. So anywho, this stuff is left right here. So this is a TV that my mom gave me, or let me use, not really gave, but I think I'm going to give it back because my TV in the kitchen went out, and I actually need to replace that. So I'm either gonna, for now, put this one in the kitchen, or just go ahead and buy me 2 new TVs, one for this room and one to replace the one in the kitchen. So anywho, that's what this is. So I'm not sure if I will utilize this or not. Not sure if I'll just go ahead and either buy one or just completely buy two. These are the pictures that I'm going to add to the wall. I do have a few on the wall as well. This one is going to stay here, and I have a few over here that I'm going to move and hang these up. And so far as this little cube, this little cubicle storage thing that I have, I actually got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, 40 bucks, baby. This lady thought she was going to get it, but I had to tell her, no sis, I was here first, I was here first. I want it. I went and found the lady, told the lady, oh, can I go ahead and pay for this so I can come back and get it? Because sis really thought she was going to get it. But I had to tell her, no ma'am, no, sorry, no. I synced it first, I hurried up and snatched it up. So anyways, this is actually, the cube is going to actually go in the closet, because I have a lot of stuff in the closet that's on the floor that I want to, you know, get a little bit more straightened out or organized. I'm not sure if I want to take the cube and put my summer shoes in there, basically like my sandals and stuff like that, because this closet I utilize for my summer clothes. The closet in my room I utilize for my winter stuff, but I think I might end up switching them out. So stay tuned for that as well. There's going to be another video. I'm going to redo my closets, and we'll go from there and see what's going to be done. But like I say, this is going to go, it's going to have to sit here for now until I get ready to revamp both of my closets. But it's going in the closet, so that will move. And I will put my snake plant right here, I think. I'm going to put it right here. I think I'm going to leave my snake plant right here once I move this stuff right here. But for now, I don't even know if I want it to stay right there. I might put it in front of the window. But anyways, we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and finish reorganizing it and tighten it up a little bit as well. And clean my desk off and get some stuff put away. And see how it's going to look from there. I might go ahead and rearrange this stuff that I have over here. I'll show you guys that in a minute as well. And maybe put it over here. I don't know. But just stay tuned while we finish getting this room together. Oh, man. And now, I think I really want it to go more like this. That's too far now. Okay, so I kind of sort of feel like that clock is a little bit too high, but I don't know. I like it. It's cute. I think it's gonna stay that way. I'm really not big on pictures. I really don't put a lot of pictures and stuff up because I have no pictures up. throughout my house but this room. So we'll see. That's pretty much it on hanging the pictures and things up. And that's pretty much it on finishing up this room as well too. So I'm just gonna tidy it up a little bit, sweep it, mop it. And like I said, tidy it up a little bit more, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. I'll go ahead and give you a whole little 360 around the room. Yeah, just in case I decide to change anything, you'll be able to see it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for staying tuned with me with revamping this room. I have to fill in some holes over there where I just hung these last pictures at, because like I said, there was something else hanging there. That's what I pulled the nails out the wall to hang the clock with, and I need to fill in these holes and just paint over them a little bit. I might do a curtain, I might not. I don't have curtains throughout my house anyways, because I have these mini blinds, the big thick good mini blinds. So I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm a little indecisive on curtains, just like I was a little indecisive on pictures. I don't know if it's gonna make this room stand out or not. To me, it's looking a little too cliche, but maybe it's just gonna take a little time for me to get used to it. So we'll see, I don't know. But anyways, I'll be back to give you guys the finished look. All right, guys, so I am officially done, and I'm gonna give you guys the official tour of the room. So I did change the pictures around a few times. No worries, that's part of my OCD. And I do feel like I do want to pick up some more pictures, for the simple fact that I really and truly love the style of this picture versus those or that. I do like that as well too though, but I like this style a little bit more better. So let's do the official tour. So, like I said about this area right here, is that I ended up moving the clock right there. First of all, it was on another wall, but I ended up moving it on this wall because I like it better on that wall, and I need for it to be visual as well. I tried it on other walls as well, but I ended up liking it right here. And like I say, that box right there it has a TV in it, and none of that stuff right there is gonna stay right there, but my snake plant. And like I say, that little cubicle thing goes in the closet. That's where that's gonna go. So I'm just showing you guys anyways, but you can just disregard all of that anyways. I just wanted to show you guys where I put the clock. And I ended up moving this picture over here because I feel like it suits the wall better and it suits the room a little bit more better. So I did move that right there by my desk. I have my makeup and nail stuff over there, and there's a chair that I normally sit in when I'm doing that right there in front of that mirror. I normally, like I said, I get dressed in this room. Not get dressed, but I finish up in this room. I know I do for sure put my makeup up. I put my makeup on in here as well and do the last finishing touches to my outfit of the day. Whatever. I get ready for work in here as well. Like I said, I put my makeup and stuff on in here as well. So that is my makeup, my nails, and just some extra stuff at the bottom. Here is where my printer is, and like I said, I told you guys that I needed to add something else in here in order to be able to put that on. But here's everything else of the room. Let's see if we can get a 360 for you guys. Not really, because like I said, it's very tight. There we go. Thank you guys for tuning in, and please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have any questions about any of the products that I did purchase? The only thing about it is I don't mind sharing, but a lot of the products I purchased a long time ago. I'm that type of person that once I go in stores and I see something that I like, I'll go ahead and get it, and I'll put it together many hours or many years later. To be honest. So whatever catches my eye, I go ahead and I get it, and I just put it together after that. So some of the stuff I might be able to tell you guys where I got it from if I remember. If not, hey, there's plenty of places where you can go and find something, okay? But anywho, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you guys for watching. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, every day had to talk beside. I'm in that 8 and then one of them is different prior. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a job. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from history before I copy all